Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'll be making peanut brittle without using a rolling pin at the beginning or at the end to roll it before I cut it out. I like making things easier. So please continue watching. I've got here the roasted peanuts. It is the small type, so it doesn't need much crushing. I'll put the nuts in a food processor. This is where you can use the rolling pin or the dry mill of a blender, just that you'll be putting it bit by bit. The peanut is unevenly crushed, some big, some tiny. Peanuts is done, it's out of the way. Other ingredients I'm going to use are the margarine and the sugar. Line a baking tray with baking paper. With medium heat. Fry pan, I'll add the margarine. We're getting there. All the sugar has dissolved. The peanuts goes inside. Mix it thoroughly till the caramel combines with the peanuts. Is well combined. The rest is speed, so it does not set and I'll not be able to shape it. So it is done. I'm going to transfer it to a paper lined plate or baking tray, whatever you have on hand. I'm going to spread this with the spatula that I use. If you want, you could take another spoon, oil it and spread it. Evenly spread, so it's time to quickly cut into squares or triangles, whatever shape you want. Quickly transfer the hot peanut brittle onto a cutting board so I can cut it better. Our peanut brittle is done. When it has cooled down, I'll remove the baking paper. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.